Hello students, I hope you and your parents are fine at home and you are spending your time in a good way. As you know that this is a very difficult time for all of us and that's why we are trying to teach you all in an innovative way. So today I am going to teach English literature for class 2nd of Sunflower Public School. So this is our first chapter, Rinsey Packs the Picnic Basket. Do you remember, kids? Whenever there is a school picnic, you all get excited. You make a long list of things and then prepare your bag. So, here we will see how Rinsey packs the picnic basket. First of all, I want to introduce the characters in this story. Rinsey, she is a little girl. Her mother is there to help her. Her dog Toby is also very happy about the picnic. And there is a boy, Rohan, who is cycling outside. And he is also very happy to know that their family is going for a picnic. So let's start the reading. Don't forget my frisbee, said Rohan. Rohan, who is Rinsey's younger brother. Frisbee is a toy, a flat plastic disc. He is whizzing around in the backyard on his cycle. He is on his cycle in the backyard of the house and he is moving here and there. Rinsey is busy making a list. She is just noting down all the items she wants to take with her on the picnic. And the picnic basket is lying behind her, half packed. Mum walks in with a box of muffins. I hope you all also like muffins, a cup-shaped cake. And she asked Rinsey, "What are you doing, Rinsey?" "Making the picnic list, Mum. I do not want to forget anything." As you know, she is very excited about the picnic. So, first of all, she wants to note down all the things. And that's why she is preparing a picnic list. "That is all right, dear. I'm sure you will do a great job." Her mother is very happy that she is doing the work very confidently. Now here you can see her father is there, and generally her father packs the picnic basket, and this is the first time she is preparing the picnic basket. "Do not forget the hand towels and this box of muffins," her mother told her to keep the hand towels and muffins. It was Dad who always packed the picnic basket, and Rinsey loved helping him. On the other times, Rinsey liked to help her father, but this time she was packing for the picnic and she wanted a perfect Sunday picnic. She don't want to miss anything. "Please keep this book for me," said Dad. Her dad handed over her a book and told her to keep that book in the picnic bag. Rinsey ticks off the items in a list as she packs. She is just ticking all the items she was packing for the picnic, and Toby is also helping her pack. He pulls out Rohan's frisbee from under the sofa and handed over it to Rinsey. "Mum's magazine, Rohan's frisbee, my coloring book and crayons, a plastic bag for garbage. Look how smart she is." Generally what happens? That we go for picnic and we just spoil the place by scattering garbage here and there. But she is a very smart girl. That's why she also keeps a plastic bag so that they will be able to put all the garbage in that bag. Then the camera, Toby's chew toy, as you know that pets like to chew anything. Skipping rope, Dad's book, and she is reading the list and she is ticking it. She is so happy to see the picnic basket ready. It is a happy feeling for her that she has done her job very perfectly. Mom, Dad, Rohan, Toby and Rinsey are going for a family picnic near the lake. And she has packed the bag. Rinsey called Mum. We are ready. We will leave in 10 minutes. Coming, Mum. I hope I have packed everything. She is very confident that she has packed each and everything in the bag, thought Rinsey. Bow wow, said Toby. The pet, also appreciated her, and he is wagging his tail happily. You know, kids, when the dogs are happy, they wag their tails. Dad, the picnic basket is ready. Can you put it in the car, please? She asked her dad to put the picnic bag in the car. Do you think Rinsey packed everything? We will discuss it. Now see, they all are happily going for the picnic. Here are some word meanings. You have to learn and copy them in any pages or your copy. Now see, here is the list and a bottle of water, a mat to sit on, Rohan's frisbee, Mum's magazine, coloring book, sandwiches, plastic bag, dog food, Toby's chew toy, cookies, skipping rope, Dad's book, first aid box, orange juice and hand towels. And kids, I have given a star to this list. I hope you will also like the list and see if anything is left, you can make another list for the picnic. Thank you and stay safe. I hope you have enjoyed the story, and the worksheet is already provided to you all. Thank you.